Hello students, welcome to the online class. We are doing exercise 12.2. Yesterday we have done question number first. Now we have a similar question number second. Find the area of a quadrilateral ABCD in which AB equal to 3 centimeter. That means suppose this is a quadrilateral which is given and we have AB equal to 3 centimeter. Second, BC equal to 4 centimeter. That means BC is there. So I am writing that 4 centimeter. CD equal to again 4 centimeter and AD equal to 5 centimeter is given now. And at last AC is its diagonal now. That AC is its diagonal and which is of 5 centimeter. So what we have to find? We have to find the area of quadrilateral ABCD. We have to find area of this quadrilateral ABCD. So firstly we have to mention given part. What is given here? In quadrilateral ABCD. In quadrilateral ABCD, what is given here? AB equal to 3 centimeter, BC equal to 4 centimeter, CD equal to again 4 centimeter and last AC, that means its diagonal which is equal to AC equal to 5 centimeter. So this is given part of question. Okay, we mentioned. Now we have to find the area of this quadrilateral. So you can see there are two triangles now. There are two triangles. Triangle number 1 is there and triangle number 2 is there. So there are two triangles, and if we find the area of both the triangle and if we add these two areas, then we will definitely find the. So in triangle number second we have to check first ABC. In triangle ABC we have in triangle ABC. Since there is side 3, 4 and 5 is given now, that's why I observed that and I am going to use that trick. Since it is following the Pythagoras theorem now, because suppose it's AB is square plus CB square. That means AB square means 3 square plus CB square. That means CB or BC square means 4 square. Which is equal to 3 3s are 9 plus 16 equal to 25. Is it clear? Yeah. And similarly AC square. AC square means 5 square because value of AC is 5 now. So 5 square and which is also equal to 25. That means triangle ABC is satisfying Pythagoras theorem. Triangle ABC is satisfying. Therefore, triangle ABC is satisfying Pythagoras theorem. ठीक है? Triangle ABC is satisfying Pythagoras theorem. Then what we can do? We applying Pythagoras theorem in that triangle number second, triangle number ABC. So it satisfies Pythagoras theorem because perpendicular square plus base square is equal to hypotenuse square, and then we can say that 4 centimeter is perpendicular, no? BC is perpendicular of that triangle and AB is base, because in downside there will be base and upside there will be height, na? Or perpendicular. So we have base 3 and height 4. Therefore area of triangle ABC equal to half into base into height. So what is base here? What is base here? And what is height? 4. So 1 upon 2 multiply 3 into 4. 2 2s are 4. Now what left there? 3 2s are 6 and 6 centimeter square, because in unit of area we will write square. Now we have triangle number 1. We have triangle number 1. Now in second triangle, what is second triangle? Triangle ACD. In triangle ACD, what we have, suppose this is first side A equal to 5, B equal to 4 and C equal to 5 centimeter. So what we are taking? A equal to 5 centimeter, B equal to 4 centimeter and at last C equal to 5 centimeter. So these are three sides of second triangle. Now we are using that three sides to find the area of second triangle. For semi-perimeter, therefore S equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. We are using formula A plus B plus C upon 2. So what will we get? 5 plus 4 plus 5 plus 4 plus 5. Because in the place of A there is 5, in the place there is 4 and in the place of C there is 5. So 5 plus 4 plus 5 upon 2. Is it clear? Now 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 4, 14. 14 upon 2, equal to 7 centimeter, which is semi-perimeter of triangle. What is semi-perimeter of triangle? Now we have to use Heron's formula to find the area of triangle ACD. Therefore, area of triangle ACD equal to, we are using formula, Heron's formula S minus A, S minus B and last S minus C. So write the values of your S. Value of S is 7. Now 7 minus A. What is the value of A? Again 7 minus B. That means what is the value of B? 4. And last 7 minus C. That means 5 again. No? So solve it to find. There is 7 multiplied by 2. Because 7 minus 5 there will be 2. No? And again 7 minus 4 then 3 and 7 minus 5 there will be 2. Is it clear? Now make common factors 2 and 2. These all numbers are in prime factors. So 2 and 2 are only pairs. So 7 multiplied by 3 that will 2 under root 21 is there centimeter square, which is area of that triangle. No? Now we have areas of these two triangles. Triangle 1 area is 6 centimeter square and triangle second area is triangle first area is 2 under root 21 centimeter square. And now we have to find the area of quadrilateral ABCD. Therefore, area of quadrilateral ABCD equal to, we have to add these area and these area. We have to add these two area to find out whole area of quadrilateral. So what is the value of area of first triangle? 2 under root 21 centimeter square plus what is the value of second triangle? Area of second triangle? 6 centimeter square. Okay, so this is the, so solve this under 21 and write the value and add this value with 6, then you will get answer 15.2 centimeter square, which is your answer. So solve this by your own and use division method to find out the root value of under root 21. Then you will get the value of under root 21 and multiply it by 2, and then whatever you get you have to add 6 in it and you will get 15.2 as your answer. Okay, so that much for today. Thank you. We will do next question from tomorrow.